Hey y'all, it's Vicki giving a shout out from Houston, Texas. Hope everyone's having a great day. It's time for day 21 of the March Declutter Challenge. For those of you that have been following me, we are trying to get rid of the same number of items for each day of the month. For March 1, we got rid of 1 item. For March 2, we got rid of 2 items. And today's March 21st, and we're going to get rid of 21 items. I've encouraged everyone to follow along and join the challenge. I want to give away a $25 Amazon gift card to the person that follows the challenge the longest and gets rid of the most clutter in their house. So what I need you to do is, if you are doing the challenge, please leave your name below along with the items that you're getting rid of. So today I was looking in my linen closet in the bathroom, and I realized that I have a lot of maybe outdated medicine and different little trial-sized toiletries and maybe some containers. And so I'm going to focus on those in a couple more days, but I think I can find a variety of 21 items in this cabinet today that I don't need. Some of it's expired, some of it I don't need. Some of it's just, empty containers, and I have multiple containers, and I don't need, I don't need as many containers as I have. So guys, here are my 21 items that I'm going to get rid of today. So here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Simple as that. I have 21 items to get rid of and declutter my linen closet. It didn't take me but a few minutes, but again, it's making me aware of how much clutter I do have in my house. So again, leave me your items that you're getting rid of as part of the challenge, and good luck to those who are competing so we can give away this $25 Amazon gift card. As always, guys, please stay safe and stay healthy. Until next time.